Imagine cutting your AI inference costs by over 90% and gaining complete control over your sensitive data. Sounds like a developer's dream, right? HOOK000. What if I told you that sending your proprietary data to ChatGPT for internal tasks could be costing you a fortune and posing a significant security risk, when you could be running equally powerful AI models right on your own machine, for essentially zero recurring cost? INTRO015. Today, we're diving deep into the world of local LLMs versus cloud APIs. This isn't just about saving money, though we'll show you how to slash your inference costs by upwards of 90%. It's about data privacy, control, and building truly private AI systems. We'll practically walk through setting up models like Llama 2 and Mistral on your local hardware, benchmark their performance against titans like GPT-4, and demonstrate exactly how you can deploy these powerful tools for your projects right now. If you're an intermediate developer or tech enthusiast looking to escape expensive cloud bills and safeguard your data, this is the video you won't want to miss. Section 1 to 1 o'clock. Let's first confront the elephant in the room: cloud LLM APIs. Services like OpenAI's GPT-4 are incredibly powerful, no doubt. They offer unparalleled general intelligence and convenience. But that convenience comes at a hefty price, and with significant strings attached regarding your data. Consider GPT-4 Turbo's current pricing: around 1 cent per 1,000 input tokens and 3 cents per 1,000 output tokens. While seemingly small, these costs rapidly accumulate, especially for high-volume applications or internal enterprise tools. An application performing just 10,000 queries a day, each with 500 input and 200 output tokens, could easily rack up hundreds, even thousands of dollars in monthly API bills. Now, multiply that by your team or organization. Beyond cost, there's the critical issue of data privacy. When you send data to a cloud API, you're trusting a third party with your potentially sensitive information, proprietary code, confidential documents, customer data. Even with robust data policies, the fundamental risk remains: your data is leaving your control. This is where local LLMs offer a paradigm shift. By running the models on your own hardware, your data never leaves your infrastructure. It's the ultimate in privacy and control, combined with the power of modern AI. Section 2 to 245. So, what exactly are local LLMs and what do you need to run them? A local LLM is an AI language model executed directly on your computer's hardware, leveraging your GPU or CPU for computation. The magic ingredient here for making powerful models accessible on consumer hardware is quantization. In simple terms, quantization is the process of reducing the precision of the model's weights and activations from, say, 16-bit floating point numbers to 4-bit or 8-bit integers. This dramatically reduces the model's memory footprint and computational requirements with only a minimal hit to performance. For instance, a Llama 2 7B model that might require 14 GB of VRAM in its full precision can be quantized down to a 4-bit version that only needs about 4 GB of VRAM. A 13B model requiring 26 GB can be quantized to around 8 GB.